Laminated wall panels are a high-pressure laminate that's on top of a marine-grade plywood with a vapor backing, and they're about 3/8 of an inch thick.
So as far as a do-it-yourselfer, this is a perfect product for that. It's probably the only product I know out there in the market that is really do-it-yourself friendly. FIBO waterproof laminated wall panels works with any panel, any system, it will work.
So you can pour your own base, you could use a solid surface base, an acrylic base. You just put the base profile on top of it and you build it from there.
Laminated wall panels can be cut with materials like a track saw, a circular saw, a jigsaw, basically any of your common woodworking type of equipment. In general, laminated wall panels will price out very favorably in relation to tile.
You could cut out that professional tile grout guy and do it yourself. So it could save you a lot of money in the long run.
They can go from things like modern farmhouse to modern minimalist to contemporary to transitionalist. Basically a broad range of styles to suit pretty much any decor. Laminated wall panels can really be cleaned with soap and water or really any non-abrasive type of cleaner.
And then definitely just wipe it with a soft cloth and everything will come clean.
Laminated wall panels are approximately 2 foot by 8 foot by 3/8 of an inch thick, and they weigh 26 pounds per panel.
Being a lighter weight material, it's a lot easier to handle. As far as going upstairs, downstairs, you have a lot more movability with this product.
And with the different tile options that we offer, they can be cut in, to fit any size that you need.
With a laminated wall panel system, you actually don't need any backer board per se. You're just going to use a layer of OSB that's going to get tied directly into your studs.
The nice thing about the waterproof laminated wall panels from FIBO is that they carry a 15-year warranty themselves. This panel system should look like it does the day you put it in 15, 20, 30 years from now. And that's the advantage of going with a non-porous system.